Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete posts on Facebook. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on your name, scroll down and here you can see this post, click on three dots but there is no option to delete post. So you simply need to go back and on the top you can see this option, manage post, click on that and here you can see different options. So select the post that you want to delete and in the bottom you can see three options. The last one is delete, click here and then you need to click on delete post. Here you can see remove selected post permanently. Once you click on that, your post will be deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.